Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am at Drive Test Center Oakville, Ontario, where Class G2 or City and Class G or Highway road tests are administered officially. In this video, I will guide you step by step through Route 1 of the Oakville Drive Test Center's Class G road test, providing detailed explanations to help you pass your highway road test on your first attempt. So please watch this video until the end. On your test day, please arrive to the center at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Park your vehicle in one of the designated number spots facing forward. Note your parking spot number, vehicle color, and make, such as Toyota or Honda, and license plate number. Then, go inside with your valid Ontario driver's license to check in. Upon completing your registration, go back to your car and wait for the examiner to arrive. After a while, the examiner will walk to your car and will check your driver license. Then the examiner will inspect your car quickly and will start the road test. Let's follow the same road test route. When it's safe, pull out of your parking spot and turn left. Turn right on first lane. Turn right on Wycroft Road. First, stop your vehicle and check Wycroft Road for traffic and pedestrians by watching to the right and left. When it's safe, move and turn right on Wycroft Road. Upon completing your right turn, check your mirrors and accelerate. Wycroft Road is a single-lane road. Posted speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour on Wycroft Road. Check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds while driving along Wycroft Road. Maintain your speed and drive smoothly. Frequently turn your head to the right and left and watch for traffic while driving along Wycroft Road. Watch for traffic at Wycroft Road and Bronte Go intersection. Drive smoothly and continue your observation by checking mirrors and turning your head over your shoulders. Turn left on third line. Give left turn signal, check your mirrors, and check your blind spot on your left side. When safe, change your lane to the left. Double lanes are available for left-turning vehicles from Wycroft Road onto third line. You can stay in either of the two lanes, but it is suggested to stay in the middle turning lane. Stop at red lights before white line painted on the ground. While waiting at red lights, scan the intersection and watch for both sides traffic on third line continuously. At green lights, move and turn left onto third line and do your observation by turning your head to right and left. For middle lane on Wycroft Road, complete your turn in the right lane on third line. Upon completing left turn, check your mirrors and speed up. If you are in the left lane, safely move over to the right lane. Third line is a multi-lanes road. Posted speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour on third line. Watch for traffic at third line and highway for 103 eastbound off-ramp intersection. The examiner will instruct you to perform a set of lane changes on third line. So activate your left turn signal and check your mirrors and left side blind spot for any close vehicle in the left lane. If left lane is clear, then change your lane to the left safely. After a few seconds, activate your right turn signal and check your mirrors and right side blind spot for any close vehicle in the right lane. If right lane is clear, change your lane to the right safely and continue driving in the right lane. Watch for traffic at third line and highway for 103 westbound off-ramp intersection. Watch for traffic at third line and North Service Road intersection. The examiner will instruct you to turn left on Kings College Drive. So give left turn signal, check your mirrors and left side blind spot, and move over to left lane on third line when safe. Now again, give left turn signal, check your mirrors and left side blind spot, and change your lane to the left turning lane on third line. Stop at red lights before the white line, painted on the ground. While waiting at red lights, check the intersection and watch for both sides traffic on Kings College Drive continuously. At green lights, start turning left onto Kings College Drive and do your observation by turning your head to right and left. Upon completing left turn, check your mirrors and speed up. Kings College Drive is a single-lane road. Residential area starts here. Posted speed limit is 40 km per hour on Kings College Drive. Turn left on Giles Gate. Giles Gate is an unmarkable road. Speed limit is 40 km per hour on Giles Gate. Turn left on Braes Lane. Braes Lane is an unmarkable road. Speed limit is 40 km per hour on Braes Lane. Keep going around the bend. Watch for kids, pets, and parked vehicles on Braes Lane, and keep moving with caution. Turn right on Giles Gate. Maintain your speed and do proper observations. Turn right on Kings College Drive. Stop at stop sign before the white line painted on the ground. Watch the intersection for both side traffic and pedestrians. Upon clearance, proceed forward and complete your right turn. Check your mirrors and accelerate. Turn right on third line. Before reaching to the intersection, give right turn signal, check your mirrors, and slow down. On approach to the intersection, stop before the white line and watch for traffic, cyclists, and pedestrians by turning your head to right and left. If your way is clear, check your right side blind spot and proceed forward. Again, watch the intersection for traffic and complete your right turn in right lane on third line. Then check your mirrors and accelerate to the traffic speed. Third line is a multi-lanes road. Posted speed limit is 60 km per hour on third line. Keep going straight on third line and check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. Follow other vehicles ahead of you with at least 2 to 3 seconds gap. Take first entrance ramp to highway for 103 westbound towards Hamilton. Check your mirrors, give right turn signal, and then check your right side blind spot before taking the expressway ramp. Safe speed is 50 km per hour on ramp curve. Upon passing the ramp curve, give left turn signal, and accelerate quickly. Speed limit is 100 kilometers per hour on the expressway. Check your left side blind spot and merge into the traffic when safe. The examiner will instruct you to perform a set of lane changes on expressway for 103 westbound when safe to do so. So activate your left turn signal and check your mirrors and left side blind spot for any close vehicle in the left lane. If left lane is clear, then change your lane to the left safely. After a few seconds, activate your right turn signal and check your mirrors and right side blind spot for any close vehicle in the right lane. If right lane is clear, change your lane to the right safely and merge off the expressway and take first exit to Bronte Road. Safe speed is 60 kilometers per hour on exit ramp. Turn left on Bronte Road. Double lanes are available for left turn. It is advised to stay in the far left lane. Stop at red lights behind other vehicles with sufficient gap. While waiting at red lights, check the intersection for traffic and keep eyes on the traffic lights. At green lights, turn left onto Bronte Road and do your observation by turning your head to right and left. Posted speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour on Bronte Road. Move over to the left lane and take the entrance ramp to highway for 103 eastbound towards Toronto. Safe speed is 40 kilometers per hour on ramp curve. Upon passing the ramp curve, give left turn signal and accelerate quickly. The examiner will inform you that speed limit is 100 kilometers per hour on the expressway. When safe, merge into the traffic with the traffic speed. The examiner will instruct you to perform a set of lane changes on highway 403 eastbound, when safe to do so. Check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds while driving along highway 403 eastbound. Merge off the expressway at third line. Safe speed is 60 kilometers per hour on exit ramp. Turn right on third line. Check your mirrors and right side blind spot. Then move over to the far right lane for turning right. Stop at red lights before the white line painted on the ground. While waiting at red lights, watch for the traffic on third line. When your way is clear, turn right onto third line. Upon completing right turn, check your mirrors and accelerate to the traffic speed. Turn right on Wycroft Road. If your way is clear, scan the intersection, check your right side blind spot, and turn right onto Wycroft Road. Then check your mirrors and left side blind spot and move over to the left lane on Wycroft Road when safe to do so. Again, check your mirrors and accelerate. Posted speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour on Wycroft Road. Continue straight on Wycroft Road and check your mirrors every 5 to 10 seconds. Drive smoothly and continue your observation by checking the mirrors and turning your head over your shoulders. Turn left at first entrance to enter the Drive Test Center parking lot. Then immediately turn left on first lane. Park your vehicle in any available parking spot. Secure your vehicle and turn off the engine. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.